Hello friends, in this video, we will learn how to view the trial balance in the inventory software. To open the trial balance, we can use the quick access panel on the left-hand side of the window. We can click on the accounting option and then click on the trial balance option. After this, the trial balance tab will open. We can also click on the report menu in the menu bar and then select the trial balance option and the trial balance tab will launch. We can also simply press Ctrl+T on our keyboard and the trial balance tab will open. Now we can select the date for which the trial balance is required. Then, if we click on the Show button, the trial balance for that date will be displayed as we can see here. Here we can see the list of ledger groups and also the credit and the debit columns. Please note that the balances relating to assets and expenses are presented in the debit side, whereas those relating to liabilities, income and equity are shown on the credit side. The sum of all debit and credit balances are shown at the bottom of their respective columns. To see the trial balance of the particular ledger groups, we can select the ledger group using the drop-down arrow here and then click on the Show button. The trial balance for the particular ledger group can be seen. We can also see the trial balances on the basis of the city by selecting the city from the drop-down menu we can see here, followed by pressing the Show button. We can use both the ledger group and city filter in conjunction also. Now we will clear all the filters and see the trial balance. Here we can see a button with minus sign. When we click on this button, the details for a particular ledger group is hidden, and when we click on the plus sign button, the details are shown as we can see. We can also apply advanced filters using the Advanced button we can see here. After clicking on the advanced buttons, we can see we are provided with various options here. When we check on the Show Nil Account checkbox and click on the Show button, all the nil accounts will also be displayed as we can see here. To see the opening trial balance, we can check the Show Opening Trial Balance and click on the Show button. After this, the opening trial balance will be displayed. To see only ledger groups without the details for particular ledgers, we can check the Show Only Ledger Groups checkbox and click Show. Now only ledger groups will be displayed with their credit and debit details. We can also filter the trial balance using the range minimum and maximum debit or minimum and maximum credit. We can feed the values as per our need, for example minimum debit as 1,200 and minimum credit as 4,000. Then we can click on the Show button and the trial balance will be filtered. We can use all the text fields in permutation and combination and apply conditions for filtering. If we want to clear all the filters, we can do so by clicking on the Clear All button and then after pressing the Show button, and then the trial balance will be displayed without any filters. To print the trial balance, we have to click on the Print option here, and the preview of the trial balance will be generated. We can then print or save it as PDF using the buttons here. We also have 3 other options here. That is, we can send the trial balance as SMS or WhatsApp, save as PDF, or save as Excel file. Hence, we saw how we can see the trial balance and filter the details in it using various options in the inventory software. Thank you.